ahead na nagsagawa ng clearing operation ang Municipal Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office. Pinakahalang bahagi ng Davao City.
What's up guys? Hi.
Sana homes sa barangay Balbok sa Caloocan District na delikado sa mga motorista at mga residente.
Hello, what's up? Hi, hello, my name is Sigma Dos, kapatid ni Giga Dos. At kalaban ni Tupi sa gusto mo.
I'll be stealing free, so hurry up and wait for me. Got a bag of chips by the sea. The sun is blazing down. I've got my smile now. Here's the thing, your chips will really make me sing. Come on, relax and have some chips for me. Chill out, lay back, I'm right where I wanna be.
Susi na siya na. Ito, ano na siya na.
Time to take it easy.
Yan, ang gusto kong skin.
You always tell me to speed up but slow down.
Wow, suka na ko
I've been
ito.
kicking my feet up and just going to town. A bag of chips in hand, I got nothing planned. Good treats by the sand, you know I wanna chow down. Yeah. So when you ask me if I'm gonna change, you ain't heard what
Yan
I
na.
said.
Harimo.
Ay,
Love outshines the golden crown.
saan na ako?
What?
A little R&R is gonna do me
Sabi ka friend. Gusto sa Sigma Dos.
till my brain off.
Abo ko dito na.
Just the way I should. Some tasty chips in hand, got me in the shade. So when you ask me what I've got to say, oh, I'm so self-assured. I've only got one thing on my mind.
No.
Chill out, lay back, I'm right where I wanna be.
Saan ko ito din? Ang
Kamo
kanina.
lang yan.
Game.
Ito ako.
Wipe out all the injustice and
Ay, dislagod ako.
my sins are unflinching.
Common hero. Mandos. Hindi ko din sinabi.
Gayot ako.
Shit, mali.
Shopee.
Shit, mali. Guys, mamali kami.
Shopee. Anong ulit? Yan.
Mamali pa, par.
Nung ulit.
Mamali pa.
Hindi magaling.
Camera pala niya. Hi guys. ML pala tayo. Oh, 1v1. Kasi na ulit.
Hindi na kita magaling. Halika na kita.
Ito parang.
Ang galing kita. Hindi rin nadagkan si Ay, bawal pa na magpak.
Hi.
I'm me, and there's no one I'd rather be. You consider
sanay ka, boy. 10 pa sanay ka, kami ring 100. Ika 10 pa. 100 na.
Sabi mo yan? Ayan na guys.
Welcome, Mobile Legends! 5 seconds
build
till the
tayo.
enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! Ultras deployed! Yay!
Let's go.
Always fulfill my contract.
Yun yung sinabi ko.
You have returned, Minotaur. Words are meaningless. Now part with your fists. The labyrinth shall never fall.
Kaya ko lang yung check rin ano yun.
Do not belong here. You're looking a little lost. Abandon hope, all ye who enter here.
So good raw, Chi. So good. So good raw.
I always fulfill my contract. You have returned, Minotaur. You're looking a little lost. Words are meaningless. Now talk with your fists. Do not belong here. Abandon hope, all ye who enter here. The labyrinth shall never fall.
Hindi mo nakapumpalag. Ano ba? kasi lugi ako doon.
Words are
Ano ko, no,
meaningless.
jungle?
Now talk with your fists.
Dadamang ka, ano, damang invading. Invading red.
Not belong here.
Hindi pa man ako full stack, so...
Abandon all ye who enter here.
Hindi naman pala yan. Walang bang stack.
Shall never fall.
10 pa sana. Sabi mo Manila.
Wait, wala ko. Kasi talaga ako.
Baka dito yung daya mo. Chuchu nagsisilong daya.
Abandon all ye who
Mabilis
enter
mo
here.
kayo yan.
The labyrinth shall never fall.
Stock! Pira-stock mo nga dun. Yan, ano sa lasad to yan? Replay na to ad to.
Always fulfill my contract.
First blood.
No, baby!
Sige, sige.
Wait, napatay ka.
Sige. So, defense item ah.
Do not belong here. Return, Minotaur.
Paano na?
Words are meaningless. Now talk with
Ano sa
your
diba paggamit ng plastic pag nagbutpag ano?
Abandon hope, all ye who enter here. You're looking a little lost.
Kung mo magka-ave, wala ko
Our turret has been destroyed.
I
Your team destroyed the turret.
contracts. Words are meaningless. Now talk with your fists. The labyrinth shall never fall. You do not belong here.
Sige, ito pa ka ba?
You have returned, Victor.
Ba't siya lang pinta?
Time to die!
Double kill. Our turret has been destroyed.
You're looking a little lost.
Your team destroyed a turret.
You do not belong here. Words are meaningless. Now talk with your fists.
Free.
I owe
Hindi magluluwas ito.
my contract.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Abandon hope, all ye who enter here. Do not belong here. Words are meaningless. Now talk with your fists.
Kill.
Time to die.
At among inanilo sa palatandaan na West Philippine Essay.
Team destroyed a turret.
Una nira, kaya nira. Baka nakakalimutan nyo, si Giga Gusto. Sigma pala.
Shall never fall.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Iyan muna bago si Chuchi. Pakroy man baga. Hindi ka surrender. Kaya pa yan. Hala, sabi mo lo.
You have returned.
Tumingin ko sana. Pakroy man ang firme. Damo ni ko nagsisilpon. So grade 5 gani. Kami ko nagsisilpon ka dito. Muntik pa ako mag 95. Kak.
Destroyed a turret.
Kaya nga, bago sana sa grade.
Abandon hope, all ye who enter here.
Sorry siyan. Uy!
Down.
Sabi ko, ay, bayan.
Pending bills and charger change will be placed in the back burner and will follow the ordinary regular process of legislation if approved.
Sige pa tayo.
Instead,
Isa.
Muntik tang ano si
Do not belong here.
base. Damang loob.
You're looking lost. Time to die.
Try ko rin. Hala. Ang daya.
Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Iwas nga na ikaw. Ang daya mo.
Our inhibitor turret is under
Daya
attack.
niyo. Luwas. Kung ano dahil naman ako.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Please fulfill my contract.
Fox.
Time to die.
Sayang. Guardian Angel si George kantahan.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Sige, silang daling one hit yun.
Words are meaningless. Now target your best.
Napundo ko. Man, shit. Naggapon ko nula. Naggapon ko nula. Lula, kusubaw ko pa kayaan. Kusubaw ko pa kaya. Ikaw man raw lula para suntukon tapos pabayaan mo sana ang lugibuhon mo kan. Nagpabaya sa nayakan lang pabugbog. Siyempre diri. Paano ko pinagsabihan ko? Pirang bisis ko na pinagsabihan. Kaya pang gulo. Nag-flicker nga ni pabalik. Lubat. Ba't nag-flicker pabalik? Pak. Niga. Ngarad na nga ni. Oh, tadi sih.
You will return, Minotaur.
Ano po yun? Ano mo kayo na-build yan? Ay, ito. Kasi ko makasagnad eh. Okay, may 650 po. What if I kill this?
Our turret has been destroyed.
Siguro
What would happen? Pak. Ah, nalakas. 684.
Not abandon hope, all ye.
Hanad na.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Hindi ko malulok.
Please fulfill my contracts. The labyrinth shall never fall. I always fulfill my contracts. The labyrinth shall
Killing spree.
Damag iyan ka.
Words are meaningless. Now talk with your fist.
50 stocks in a twist. Alam mo talaga ay makakita.
You have returned, Minotaur.
Pwede ka mag-surrender na, hindi gusto mo.
Look at George.
Ano nga ni? One hit. Pang.
Unstoppable!
Ano baga? Gusto mo one hit?
Your team
Sige.
destroyed a turret.
Gusto si Ian.
Personal Cody, what sword should we build? Siyempre sa pangalan party. Ito ba pwedeng one hit eh? Pero, ito.
Ay, ayan. Banbat sa kanya. 3, 2, 1.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Pala, tapos ang klaro. Wala si Ethan base. Ala! Ala yan, dali. Salat. Ito naman tinatawag. Ito yung tapusin. Ayan, siya na. Pero karawan ito yung siguro. Tinatapos ko na nga. Ay, di pa tapos nga eh. So guys, ako na yung nanalo. Subscribe mga boys.